What if your money could grow for you, even while you sleep? Imagine turning your savings into something that grows every month, even while you sleep. That's the power of investing in the Indian share market. You don't need to be a finance expert or have a lot of money to begin. Anyone can start small and grow big if you follow the right plan. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to start investing in the Indian stock market, even if you have zero experience. By the end, you'll know what to do, where to begin, and how to invest safely. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I share simple investing tips and online earning ideas to help you build long-term wealth. What we'll cover: why investing in stocks is smart, how the Indian share market works, step-by-step, how to start investing, how much you should invest, common mistakes to avoid, why investing in the share market is smart. Most people keep their money in savings accounts, earning very little interest. But when you invest in the share market, your money starts working for you. You become a part owner of real companies, like Infosys, TCS, or HDFC Bank, and you grow when they grow. That's how wealth is built, not through luck, but through consistent, smart investing. Even 100 or 200 a day can grow significantly over time through compounding. How the Indian share market works. The share market is like a huge marketplace. Instead of buying products, you buy shares of companies. Each share represents ownership. When companies earn profits, your share value can rise. You earn money in two main ways. Capital gains, when the share price goes up and you sell for a profit. Dividends, when the company shares part of its profit with shareholders. Success in the market isn't about luck. It's about knowledge, patience, and discipline. Step by step, how to start investing. Step 1. Choose a reliable broker. Open a demat and trading account with trusted platforms like Zerodha, Grow, Upstocks, or Angel One. Step 2. Link your bank account. This allows easy fund transfers for buying and selling shares. Step 3. Learn before you buy. Study company fundamentals, revenue, profit, and long-term growth. Step 4. Start small. Begin with R500 or R1,000. Focus on learning first. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. Invest across sectors, IT, banking, pharma, energy, to reduce risk. Step 6. Invest regularly. Set up a monthly SIP in stocks or mutual funds. Consistency beats timing the market. Step 7. Think long-term. Don't panic over short-term market drops. Stay invested and let compounding work for you. How much you should invest. Start with what you're comfortable losing. Even 500 is fine. What matters is consistency, not the amount. For example, investing R100, a day can grow into lakhs over a few years with steady returns. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow every single day.